Hello students, hope all is well from your side. In our previous class, we have studied about the modulus and the conjugate of a complex number and what is the formula, how to find the modulus and the conjugate of a complex number. And in this class, we will solve all the numericals related to it. Now see, our first question is find the multiplicative inverse of 2 minus 3i. In our previous class, we have seen the formula how to find the multiplicative inverse of 2 minus 3i. So for this, what we have to do here, let z is equals to 2 minus 3i. So z conjugate will be how much? Here 2 minus, so this will be 2 plus 3i, and what we will write, mod z square is equals to how much? 2 square plus minus 3 square. Okay, so this becomes how much? 4 plus 9, that is equals to 13. Here why we have written minus 3 square, so 3i square is minus 1, so here minus 3. So our mod z square is equals to how much? 13. Therefore what we will write, therefore the multiplicative inverse of of 2 minus 3i is given by how? Is given by what we will write, z inverse is equals to z conjugate by mod z whole square. So we will write here 2 plus 3i by 13. Okay, so this can be written as 2 by 13 plus 3 by 13i. Okay, or you can write in other way also. Suppose z conjugate, the other method also you see. The other method is simply you can write z inverse is equals to 1 by 2 minus 3i, which is equals to how much? 2 plus 3i by 2 minus 3i, 2 plus 3i. Okay, just you conjugate it, and so here this becomes how much? 2 plus 3i by a minus b, a plus b. So 2 square minus 3i whole square. So this becomes 2 plus 3i by 13, and in the same way we will write 2 by 13 plus 3 by 13i. Okay, now let us see our next question. Now see question number 2. Express the following in the form of a plus ib. Question is 5 plus root 2i by 1 minus root 2i. So here how we will write here? We have 5 plus root 2i by 1, okay, minus root 2i. This simply we do the conjugate, 5 plus root 2i, okay, by 1 minus root 2i into 1 plus root 2i by 1 plus root 2i. Okay, so here this can be written as 5 plus 5 root 2i plus root 2i minus 2. Root 2, this becomes 2i square minus 1. So this becomes how much? Minus 2, 1 minus root 2i whole square. So this can be written as how much? 5 minus 2. This becomes how much? 3 plus 6 root 2i by 1 plus 2. This becomes 3, and this can be written as 3 you take common, 1 plus 2 root 2i, 2 root 2i. Okay, similarly our next question is I to the power minus 35. So this can be written as here second, I to the power minus 35. So how we will write this? This can be written as 1 by I square to the power 17 to the 34 into I. Okay, now this one is very easy. This one 1 by minus I I square is minus 1, and this becomes minus I into I by I. Okay, this becomes into I by I. So this is equals to how much? This is equals to I by minus I square. I square is minus 1 plus 1. So this becomes I. Okay. And in the next class, we will start exercise 5.1. Till then, have a good day.